Aren't you guys on the air? Where's Snoop?
Just a little bit behind, but I think I smell him. He'll be in here in just a sec. All right, here we go. Here's the entry of the man. Whoa! Hey, yeah, this is TMZ.
What it do?
What's up? What's up?
The champ is here. What up, dog?
So, you guys want to talk over to Snoop or what?
A little bit.
Did you talk to TMZ?
Yeah.
All right, that's a money shirt. I need one of those shirts.
Man, this is too fun, man. We having so much fun. It's a natural progression of the show. The show is growing. You know, the fights are getting better. You know, the interest level is getting higher.
So now that you're doing this, commentary, what do you think about UFC 214 this weekend? Cormier and Jones. We got to know what you think about that.
I think that's going to be a great fight. I watched the first fight. I thought the first fight was a great fight to the end. I like the way Jones took advantage of the third, fourth, and the fifth rounds. I think this is going to be a better fight because it's a lot at stake. You know, Skinny Bones Jones is back in the ring, finally off suspension.
Snoop's on TMZ right
Cormier been talking a lot of mess about him messing up outside of the ring, so now they get a chance to get back in the ring and see what he does.
20 seconds till you're on, Steve.
20 seconds.
Take a quick break.
Give me a second.
If you like what you just saw and you want to see more videos of your favorite athletes, crazy stories, and just all the best off-the-field stuff, subscribe to the TMZ Sports YouTube channel.
The subscribe button is right here, and check out more of our exclusive content right here.